are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video, we will see some shape and size of cell. Okay, so let's start. Before saying this, we will see one point about related cell theory, that exception of cell theory. Okay, in the previous video we had discussed about the cell theory and about the complete cell theory, who had completed the cell theory. Okay, so here is a one point, that exception of cell theory. It means that those type of, we can say, organization who does not have the organization of cell, and also they do not follow cell theory. Okay, so there are 5 type of virus, viron, virusoid, prion. Okay, so these are the we can say organism who does not have the organization of cell, and also we can say that they do not follow cell theory. One more here. Wide. Okay. Okay. So they do not have the organization of and also not follow. It means these are the organisms who does not have the organization of cell, and also they do not follow cell theory. Okay, they are the exception of cell theory. Virus, virion, virusoid, prion and viroid. Okay, I hope you understand this thing, that what is the viroid. Okay. Okay, so they do not follow have the organization of cell, and also they do not follow cell theory. Okay, now we will see about the shape, size of the, we can say, cell. Okay, but before this we will see some discovery. Okay, first one, that is dead cell. So who discovered the dead cell? That cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. How? Because he has for the discovery of cell, he has used the what? He used a dead cork slice. Okay, so the dead cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay. Second one is living cell. Living cell was discovered by Emil Van Hook. Okay, he had discovered the living cell in animal. Okay, in animal cell. Okay, but he observed the living cell. So who discovered the dead cell? Dead cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. And who discovered the living cell, or we can say observed? A.V. Leeuwenhoek, who has observed the living cell in animal. Okay. And after that, third one is nucleus. Okay. Nucleus was discovered by, whose name is Robert Brown. Okay. He had discovered the nucleus. And fourth one, that is protoplasm. Okay. Protoplasm, you know that this is a cell and this is the nucleus. Okay. And this one is the cytoplasm and this one is the nucleoplasm. So cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is called as protoplasm. Okay. And it is a viscous jelly-like substance. Okay. So it was discovered by J.E. Purkinje. Okay. J.E. Purkinje had discovered the, we can say, protoplasm. Okay. And after that, fifth one, who is we can write here extension of cell theory, or we can also write that how new cell arises. So extension of cell theory was what? It was done by the scientist whose name is Rodolph Virchow. Okay, he has extended the cell theory by proving that new cell arises from the pre-existing cell by explaining. Okay, so he had you can say that he had extended the cell theory. Okay, so here is some discovery. Okay, like who had discovered? Okay, like nucleus, dead cell, living cell, protoplasm, and also about the new cell arises. Okay. Now we will see about shape and size. Okay. So firstly, we will see about size. Okay. Firstly, we will see about size. Okay. So its first point is that cell may vary size, shape, and activities. Okay. Cell may vary in size, shape, and also in activities. Okay. They may vary. Okay. So cell are maybe different in shape, size, and also in activities also. Different cell have different activities, different cell have different sizes, and also their shape. Okay, according to their function. Okay, they have different shape, and we can say they have different size. Okay, so it is about the size of the cell. Okay. Next point is mycoplasma mycoplasm is the smallest cell, only about 0.3 micrometer. Okay, so the smallest cell is here is the name of mycoplasm. Okay, so this one is the smallest cell and its length is about 0.3 micrometer. Okay, our next point is PPLO. Organism is a type of mycoplasm about 0.1 micrometer. It means PPLO is a type of mycoplasm and it is about only 0.1 micrometer in length. Okay, its length is about only 0.1 micrometer in length. Okay. Generally, bacteria size vary between about 3 to 5 micrometer. Okay, it is generally about 3 to 5 micrometer. About 3 to 5 micrometer. Okay, so it is about the size of the cell that it may vary in shape size. Cell can vary in shape size and also in their activities. Bacteria size is generally 3 to 5 micrometer and largest isolated cell is of egg of an ostrich. Okay, so ostrich have the largest isolated cell in his in the egg of an ostrich. Okay, so I hope you understand that mycoplasm is the smallest cell, only about 0.3 micrometer. After that, here is a pneumonia like organism who is a type of mycoplasm, size about only 0.1 micrometer. After that, we have seen that bacteria size is generally about 0 to 5 micrometer and the largest isolated cell is of egg of an ostrich. Okay, so after that we will see about the human red blood cell, that it is about human red blood cell. It is about 7.0 micrometer in diameter. Okay. So it is about the human red blood cell, and the largest cell in our body is nerve cell. Okay, largest largest cell is our what? Nerve cell. Okay. So this is about the size of the cell. Okay. That some are small, some are long, and some are isolated. Okay. Many things like related to the size that mycoplasm is the smallest cell. Bacteria having the size generally 0 to 5 micrometer. The largest isolated single cell is egg of an ostrich, and human red blood cell is about 7.0 micrometer in diameter, and the largest cell is not largest, it's we can say the longest. Okay, the longest one. Okay, we can say the longest. Okay, the longest cell that is nerve cell. Okay, so it is about the size of the cell, and after that we will see the shape. Okay. Okay, shape may also vary according to the function they perform. Okay, when we talk about the shape of the cell, it also may vary on how they may also on the function they perform. Okay, so on the basis of because of their different functions, shape may vary. Okay, some it may vary according to their function they perform. Okay, they may be disc-like, columnar, irregular, or amoeboidical shape, amoeboidical. It is so they may be in the form of disc-like, or we can say columnar, cuboid, thread-like, irregular, or also in amoeboidical shape. Okay. The shape of RBC is generally round and biconcave. Okay, the shape of WBC is generally in amoeboidical shape. Okay, amoeboid we can write. Okay. So different cell having different shape according to their function, according to what they function perform. Okay. So I hope you understand about the shape and size of cell, and also about the exception of cell theory. Okay. So now we will discuss about the types of cell. Okay. So on the basis of origin, cell is about two type. Okay, first one is prokaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell. Okay. So it is the division on the basis of their origin. Okay. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. We will discuss these two cells about in detail in the next video. I hope you understand whole the video till here about the shape and size of the cell, and also about the discovery, some discovery data about the dead cell, living cell, nucleus, protoplasm, extension of cell theory, and also about the exception of cell theory, like virus, virion, virusoid, prion, and viroid. These are the exception of cell theory. They do not follow cell theory, and also they do not have the organization of cell. Simply, if they do not have the organization of cell, then how they can follow cell theory? Okay, so these are the exception of cell theory. And on the basis of origin, there are two types of cell, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We will discuss these two cells about in detail, okay, in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.